Hi, welcome to my channel To Irrational, where we see everything mathematics and statistics. I'm Pranesh Sharma, and in this video we'll learn how to store values in our calculator FX991ES. Now to store our values, you have a few, I think 6 values. You can store up to 9 values here. We have A, B, C, D, E, F written here. We have X, Y here, and we have M. Although this M is used for some other purposes, we'll not be using it here. That is topic of another video. Right now we'll talk about how to store values in this A, B, C, D till F. Now, whenever you are writing a complex equation where we are using a particular value again and again, it's very convenient for us to store that value in one place and use that value again and again. Let's say I have a very complex equation that I will be using the answer of and then using it in some other place. So if I write this in our calculator, and press equal to, I get a complicated value. Now either I can think about how many decimal points I should take, or what I can do is I can store this value. Let's say how to store it. So I want to store it in A. What I'll do is I have here STO written just above that RCL button. So to access that, we press shift and then we press that RCL button, and you would see here that STO is written. That tells us that we are ready to store this value. Where can we store it? We can store it in one of these values. So I'll store it in A. So all I have to do is press this button, and you can see the answer has been stored in A. Now if I press AC, and if I want to use this again, all I have to do is press this alpha and recall my A. So if I press alpha A and equal to, you will see it is the same value. If I want to use this, if I say that A divided by 5 is equals to this. Now I want to store this value in B, because later on, let's say I will be using A and B both. So for that, I will press shift and store again, and if I press this B, you can see answer has been stored in B. And if I press AC, and if I want to check whether my value has been stored, I press alpha and B, and my value is still stored. I can check A as well, alpha A, and my value has been still being stored. Now even if I press on, okay, that usually clears most of the setups that we have done, but it will not clear these particular values. I will still have alpha A as this value stored, alpha B, this value still stored here. Okay. So if I want to use it, let's say 123 plus A equal to this, and then let's say divide by, and I want that previous answer, divide by, let's say 35 plus B, press equal to, I get this. Now if I want to clear this, first of all I can store another value directly. I can say 2 shift store A. Now 2 has been stored in A, and my A will have now value 2. One is this particular way. The other is we can clear all of the memory of our calculator. For that we have our CLR just above 9. So I'll press shift CLR, and it asks us whether I have to clear a setup that I have done, clear the memory, or clear both setup and memory. I will only clear memory, although I have done no setups here. So I'll press 2, and it asks whether I have to clear the memory. I'll press equal to, and now I do not have anything in A stored or anything in B. So this is how you can store values and remove values in this calculator. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and please comment if you want to see anything else. Check out other videos that I have made on this particular calculator. The link would be in the description.